Alright girl, today I am making flaxseed gel, aka the most affordable, natural, curl-defining goodness you can whip up in your kitchen. First things first, to get yourself an empty pot because we're about to turn these tiny little flax seeds into liquid gold for your hair. Starting off with a fourth a cup of flax seeds and 2 cups of water. Yes girl, that's it. Just 2 things that you need to get this going. If you ever made oatmeal, this is the same deal, except we will not be eating this. Give it a nice little stir, and we're going to let this pot come to a beautiful little boil. Now that it is boiling, we are going to get this gel supercharged. We're just going to add a few drops of rosemary oil because you know scalp stimulation, hair growth. Then we're going to add some Jamaican black castor oil because hydration is the goal. And lastly, some manuka honey because curls love moisture and honey is a natural moisture enhancer. Okay, so this is starting to smell like a DIY spa treatment for real. So as this mixture starts bubbling, you'll see the texture start to change and the color. That's when the magic is really happening, when it starts to thicken and it starts to look like, you know, like snot. Yeah, when it looks like snot, you did it, girl. It's stretchy, it's glossy, it's absolutely perfect. If this doesn't make your curls happy, I don't know what will. Okay, so before we strain, let's talk about something that's really important here. The temperature. Most tutorials will tell you to strain it while it's hot, but let's just do a little reality check here for a second. Okay, I'm gonna use my thermometer just to make a point. You see that? 140 degrees. That is a no, people. That is too hot to handle. If you have skin and you like it where it is, don't touch this when you take it off the stove. Wait. I ended up waiting about 20 to 30 minutes, so it was just below 120 degrees Fahrenheit. That's still warm but not scalding. Fun fact, the cooler it gets, the harder it is to strain. So don't wait too long, because oh my god, I waited far too long. So with that being said, I deserved the arm workout that I got. I thought I was strong, but clearly Flaxseed Gel had other plans. So if you don't have a fine mesh strainer or cheesecloth, prepare for a battle, because this stuff is thick. And after much a struggle, we now have Flaxseed Gel Perfection. It's golden, it's smooth, and it is ready to define some curls. This is just going to be clean, bouncy goodness for your hair. Organic healthcare at its finest, y'all. DIY curl definition. This is why I love making my own flaxseed gel. It's cheap, it's natural, it actually works, plus you can customize it however you want, you know, with the castor oil and the rosemary. Let me know in the comments how you would customize your gel. And if you love DIYs, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell for more. Stay tuned, I'll be showing you how to apply the flaxseed gel for frizz-free defined curls in my next video. Have a good night, see you in the next one.